This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Lovely CBS, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. Prop card says 3/2, plus 1-car detached garage/workshop and carport. Home features beautiful pool/patio area on double lot. Enter home through spacious foyer into large and open living room. Updated kitchen west/newer SS appliances and granite countertops. Lovely eat-in area overlooking pool/patio. Upgraded bathrooms. List of upgrades attached: newer tiled flooring throughout main area. Impact French doors from living room to pool/patio. Owner's suite features double entry doors to spacious area, large bathroom west/walk-in closet. Impact French doors from bedroom to pool. 4th bedroom is currently being used as a sewing/craft room. New AC 2014. Solar panels/pool 2019. Hot tub to convey needs minor repair, and garage freezer to convey. 3 sheds. For more information, review the details below.